pretty cleanly. Morales leaning up against the rope, looking to counter.
Magandang araw mga pre, maayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. Bago natin simulan, kung bago ka pa lang napadaan sa aking munting tahanan, pasuporta naman, click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button. Palike na rin ang video para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong uploads. Erik El Terrible Morales, kinikilalang alamat na ng boxing, di lang sa Mexico, pati na rin sa buong mundo. Ilang digmaan sa ibabaw ng lona ang kinaharap at pinanalo niya. Ilang bigating pangalan na rin ang sinagupa at pinagbagsak niya. Kilabot sa featherweight division noon, walang kinakatakutan kahit si Pacman pa yan. Manalo o matalo, duguan o kahit isang mata lang ang gamit ay tuloy pa rin ang bakbakan. Nagtala ng 61 laban at sa kaniyang 52 panalo ay 36 dito pinabagsak niya o tinalo niya via KO. Sa kaniyang matagumpay na karera, iba't ibang lahi na rin ang kinasahan niya at 2 Pinoy na pala ang sinunggaban niya. Si Manny Pacquiao at si Rinaldi Hamili. Sino ang Pinoy na ito? Siya ang tampok natin sa videong ito. Rinaldi, Pinoy Fist, Hamili. Ang pinakaunang kumasa sa Lakas at Tibay ni El Terrible. Pinanganak noong December 21, 1972 sa Negros. Naging professional boxer noong taong 1992. Lumalaban sa super bantamweight at featherweight division at noong July 31, 1999, dumayo siya sa bansang Mexico para sa kaisa-isang world title fight niya at nakaharap ni dito ang noon ay undefeated at defending WBC World Super Bantamweight Champion na si Erik Morales. Sa laban ay bit-bit ni Hamili ang impresibong kartada na 39 wins, 4 losses, 30 dito via KO. Habang itong si El Terrible ay hawak naman ang mas impresibong record na 33 wins, 0 loss, 27 dito via knockout. At sa gabi ng kanilang banggaan, kahit sa lungga ng kalaban lumaban ang ating kababayan ay di niya ito inatrasan. Unang round, bagamat champion itong si El Terrible ay di ito kinatakutan ni Hamili. Sinabayan niya sa bakbakan itong undefeated ng Mexican.
Hamili and he's doing that but also is leaving himself open by throwing big shots.
Said he would not fight this fight on the ropes. How that fits into Morales' strategy.
Wide punches from Hamili so far. And it's one of the things Morales seems people saw on the tapes, and that's not a good thing against Erik Morales. Oh, big right hand.
Big haymaker coming right there. Morales lands one on the chin up against the ropes as Hamili where he says he does not want to be.
Much more from Erik Morales in recent fights.
Hamili's not afraid to throw though.
He keeps his hands up, brings his hands back to position after he throws. Erik Morales, a very well-schooled technician in the ring.
Inside 50 seconds, round 1. Those punches not effective, but Morales seeing an opening and trying to take advantage. Let's see, 10 seconds left in round 1 of a scheduled 12 round.
Second round tuloy pa rin ang laban, mas napapadalas pa ang palitan ng mga patama sa ulo at katawan.
Looking to ignite the local Tijuana crowd. Makes his home here, proud of the fact.
He really has done that. His 4th defense in Tijuana of the 7. The atmosphere here at the Bull Ring is a great atmosphere for boxing, man. Hamili throwing a lot, not much getting through the defense of Morales.
But he is throwing a lot.
Good right hand gets in.
Morales is looking.
You're in trouble.
Now he's pulling his way forward behind his shoulder. There comes Morales.
Morales using the jab. We saw him use it in his lap. Morales. He's got power in both hands. That's
picked that one off pretty cleanly. Morales leaning up against the rope, looking to counter. Hamili just keeps throwing. He's got a little bit of a backpedaling going on by Hamili. 10 seconds left in round 2.
Morales has found a combination that will work, a double right hand, and he's been working.
Sa mga sumunod na mga round, naging mas ma-action pa ang laban. Kahit dihado sa bilis at lakas itong ating pambato, ay makikitang pumapalag at nakakatama din. Nakakabawi din sa Mexico na tigasin.
The world learns more and more about him.
Saying he's the next great Mexican champion. Working hard and winning fights, that's going to all go away.
Just on the inside.
It all. All right, Morales lands a nice right hand. Hamili pushes a lot of his punches.
There's an uppercut that landed. There's another combination that landed. Hamili seems to take it so far, but he's backing up now. Another combination. The right got into the chin.
Those were the kind of punches Morales usually hurts people with, and Hamili was able to take those shots. I think he was stunned momentarily, but he didn't go anywhere.
Of the WBC Super lunges in. He's going to try the uppercut again and work.
Here is where Morales was able to land the counter uppercut. Now, it didn't hurt Hamili as much as he would have liked because he was backing up and threw it off his back foot. But he was still able to get some good work done on the inside. And you see the good defense of Hamili, though, keeping his hands up and not allowing
coming in, and so maybe he's starting to figure some things out. Trains in a gym over his father's store here in North Tijuana. I mean, you can't be more grounded than that when he'll take that as long as he can.
I admire the fact that he wants to bring fights here to Mexico. He said so many Mexican champions haven't been able to. An aggressor, but a careful aggressor and an intelligent aggressor. And doing a great defensive job. Reante Hamili is keeping his hands up. He's lunging a little, but not getting hit so much with counter punches. And there's a good shot from Hamili.
Well, he's not intimidated,
not at
to
all.
say the least.
And is that he has tasted several of Morales' big power shots, and he hasn't gone anywhere.
Hamili, I think he's getting more comfortable. He seems to be oblivious.
Well, this has been his best round of the fight, and he's taken the crowd out of this fight a little bit.
Yeah.
Because of what he's done in this round.
Now Morales trying to come back off the ropes, but Hamili keeps boring in. Took one on the chin there, another combination right in the face. But he's throwing. Let's see if Morales continues to press it. Right inside, yes.
I think he thought Hamili was hurt there, and I'm not sure.
Closing seconds, round number 4. And that's the end of round number 4.
Here is where Hamili was able to come forward, landed a good solid left hook and a right hand. Pretty good combination to the head.
Fifth round, announcer na mismo ang nagsabi na di natitinag itong si Hamili sa mga pamatay na suntok ni El Terrible. Kahit ilang beses itong nasasapol ni Morales, ay patuloy pa rin sa pag-abante itong Pinoy challenger. At sa mga suntok ni Morales ay di naman siya nagpapahuli sa kanyang mga counter.
See there, he was off balance when he was coming in, but it was still hard for Morales to hit him.
Erik Morales is not likely to make any big mistakes. None of that.
Card so far in this fight, I think, is the defense of Reante Hamili, which is better than it looked at the beginning. He's making it very tough for Morales to really land clean shots. See, there's an example. Once in front of a big crowd to do more than just win. All you can do is win.
Closing up on the end of round 5.
Sixth round, naging mas agresibo na itong si Morales. Tila gusto na agad tapusin ang salpukan nila. Pero ang Pinoy ay patuloy pa rin na nakipagsabayan sa tapang nitong Mexican. Magana ang kanang mata ni El Terrible, habang duguan naman ang mukha ni Hamili.
Percentage numbers according to CompuBox into that fight. And but tonight, clearly it's a lot less. Defense now.
He's trying to throw some bombs, being picked off by Morales as he looks to see what's going on, looking inside.
Good counter right hand there a moment ago by Erik Morales. He had, and when he has, it's been mostly his arranged game.
Putting up a very game effort tonight. Here we go, the crowd not happy right now.
Kaso, Sa huling mga segundo, nasa pulsa malamaso na kamao itong ating pambato at bagsak ito.
Scoring to the right hand. There's a good punch. There's the right hand. Knocks Hamili down. Right on the chin. But
Sinubukan pa naman niyang tumayo pero wala na. Sobrang nahilo na talaga. Kaya tinapos na rin ng referee ang laban nila.
and the hometown hero.
That was actually a lead right hand that worked there, but the reason the lead right hand worked is because he had used so many jabs. And when he hits you like that, you're in big trouble.
Well, the damage was being done. Ooh.
That's a home run ball.
Tagumpay na nadipensaan ni Erik El Terrible Morales ang kanyang titulo. Panalo siya via 6th round TKO habang itong si Rinanti Hamili ay nalasap ang panglimang talo sa kanyang karera. Bagamat natalo dito ang ating pambato, ay makikitang binigay naman niya lahat para subuking kunin ang titulo nitong alamat ng Mexico. Pinakita niya kung gaano katapang ang mga Pilipino na di basta-basta umatras sa kahit kanino. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, ang Ping Permi.